Alam mo yung feeling na biglang nagkasakit, tapos walang HMO, walang backup, kahit simpleng check-up ang gastos. Tapos bata ka pa, iniisip mo, wala pa yan, malakas pa ako. Pero until kailan? Ang totoo niyan, habang healthy at bata ka pa, that's the best time to get a Kaiser Healthcare Savings Plan. Kasi kung kailan ka na may sakit, dun mo lang maiisip na dapat pala kumuha ka na. Eh paano kung decline ka na sa application? And Kaiser is not just a health plan, it's a long-term healthcare solution. Phase 1, may short-term healthcare at life insurance coverage ka. Phase 2, investment part. Your money grows every year, plus may dividends pa. Phase 3, lifetime healthcare. Kahit retired at nasa senior years ka na, covered ka pa rin. Amazing, diba? HMO, savings at retirement plan in one. Health is wealth, pero dapat healthcare is prepared. Start young, start smart, start with Kaiser 3-in-1. Protect your future bago ka pa magkasakit. Message lang para ma-assist kita how to start. Alagang Kaiser, alaga ka kapatid.